Today we're going to remove the passenger side tail light on this 2013 Dodge Durango. Alright, there is 2 retainer clips holding this light into place. We're going to use this trim tool removal to remove the safety clip. Then we'll be able to remove this little bracket there, and the same thing for this bottom one here. Once you remove those from there, we're going to come this way. We're going to apply some pressure this way. Just a quick fast motion. There you have it. And there comes the tail light. Next we'll be able to pinch these up or turn these up and out. The reason it's locked is because it has these little nipples and they go right into there, which locks them into place. But there you have it. That is how you remove the tail light on this 2013 Dodge Durango, in case you need to replace some light bulbs or replace the correct tail light. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.